Hello, sewing friends. Welcome back to AnHi Creations. Today is September 2nd, and I stopped by another Hobby Lobby to see what I could find in their clearance fabric section. I didn't find a lot this time, but I did grab these fabrics. The lady working there mentioned they're still in the process of marking down fabrics to make room for new shipments, so I'll definitely check back again in a few days. I also noticed some pre-cut fabrics, fat quarters, and fat quarter bundles. This week, all yarn is 30% off. Hobby Lobby usually alternates sales. One week yarn, the next week fabric, then back to yarn again, and so on. So if you're waiting for fabric discounts, keep that in mind. For my paper crafting friends, I saw a lot of markdowns in that department too, prices ranging from 50% to 75% off the originals. For example, a pack of 25 envelopes was just 99 cents. And 50 sets of A4 flat cards with envelopes were only $1.87. I even spotted some cute stickers marked down as well. Here's what I ended up buying. A pack of adhesive notes for just 87 cents. This red fabric, $3 a yard, marked down from $7.99. A polka dot print for $2 a yard, down from $6.99. And this blue fabric, also $2 a yard. By the way, this shopping trip was at the Hobby Lobby in Cypress, California. Let me know in the comments if you found any good deals like these at your local store. Now let me show you how I turned some of this fabric into a simple pot holder. First, I cut 8-inch strips and subcut them into 8 by 8-inch squares, 2 squares for each fabric. I used wonder clips to hold the layers in place. Then cut my batting to size. Place the batting facing up and the last fabric square facing up as well. Stitch all the way around with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then turn it inside out. To finish, top stitch around the edges and add a few lines of quilting as shown. And that's how you can make a quick pot holder with just a little clearance fabric. I hope this inspires you to sew something simple and useful from your own fabric stash. Thanks for hanging out with me today at Hobby Lobby and in my sewing room. I'll be back soon with more fabric finds and sewing projects. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your clearance deals in the comments. See you next time.